Sure guys, we'll come back to Speaker nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today sibuyele album enkulu siphethe Iceman la. Insizwa le eCanada laphana abamazi bambiza ngoDrake laphana. So uDrake ukhiphe album ibizwa ngeIceman iphume ngomhla ka-15 May. Ya usuku olukhulu laphana kumhla ka-May kusekhole amanesi nothisha kusekhole ifundiswa ke laphana ke. But ke kade lindiwe le album because le album iphuma emva kwebeef le yabankulu kakhulu engomnyaka lo ka-2024 between uDrake noKendrick Lamar. So bake bakhipha ingoma bedisana but uDrake awazange ukuthi mhlawumbe ekhiphe i-album ngoba ikhona i-album akayikhipha uKendrick Lamar. So uDrake wadecide ukuthula wahlehla kona wonke umuntu because wonke umuntu wase-America wangathi umjikele because kuzokhumbuleka ukuthi uDrake ngokudabuka waseCanada but-ke ngokomsebenzi ngokwamatoho laphana ubamba amatoho laphana eMelika laphana. So abantu baningi base-America after e-blow up wazoba kule level enkulu ibe khona leyo nzondo mhlawumbe kwagcina sekunezithe ekhandekayo. So after leya beef leyana yakhe benoKendrick kwavele kwacaca ukuthi obani abangani beqiniso wabana abangani bamangayo. So abantu abaningi uDrake kade babangani bakhe bamlahlekele and abantu abaningi azange aba-addressa lesa sikhathi because i-beef yayi-between yena noKendrick Lamar. So abantu abaningi bengaba-addressanga but kule album-ke hayi wenze sure ukuthi umuntu nomuntu uphuma nevesi lakho nolayini wabo. So nje abantu abaningi abachaphazela imvula ezibanethile laphana abantu abafana noRick Ross, abantu abafana noKhalid, abafana nomngane wakho demkhulu kakhulu laphana lo dume ngokudlala ibasketball laphana bambiza uLabron noma something uJames but uJames-ke lo uLabron ya uJames LeBron la oyinkakha laphana one of the best players akaba khona ebasketball but ubudlelwano bakhe benoDrake abusekho-ke. Abanye abantu angathi banethwa yimvula nabo akabadisile u-ASAP Rocky uJay-Z nawo khona uline laphana and khona ingoma engithusile laphana khona ingoma la akanyathela khona uJ Cole benoJ Cole bebabangani abakhulu bezwana since aqala nje uJ Cole efika because uJ Cole efika wafika uDrake esekhona. So benza leya ngoma la ababeyenzile Can I Get It in the Morning. So after leyo ngoma-ke waqala wablow up uJ Cole-ke. So ngiyathuka mase-beefa esebheefa naso. So I think uDrake laphana hayi unyanya ngempela cold ngempela ngoba i-album ibizwa ngo-Iceman laphana ukuthi no akasekho friendly akasekho usecold nje because abantu abaningi bamjikelile-ke but-ke khona abantu abafana noFuture akade disana nabo the time esadisana noKendrick but benoFuture ngathi bakwazile ukuthi-ke beshintshe ubudlelwano babo belungisa izinto because uFuture uyena umuntu okhona la ku-album because i-album ayinawo ama-features amaningi. Ama-features engiwabonile khona uFuture khona no21 Savage kokuyena kumuntu walimela iqiniso the time beqabana azange ethatha iside azange lo comment azange lo yenza into efana into esili because abaningi abaxabane noDrake is because izinto ababezisho ku social media abanye babe attend ama-show. This one show yayenziwe uKendrick Lamar laphana i-pop up show lapha yavele yenzeka nje isikhaleni during i-beef. So abantu abaningi basho apha kuleyo show leyo. So uDrake wabona ukuthi okay usibani abekho esayidini lami. So yasuka lapho-ke lo nto. So abantu abaningi wavele wadistance kubona-ke but-ke i-album inengoma ezo-18 and I think ziningi ingoma ezoba ama-hit song because laphana indlela kade iphusha ngayo ingakaphumi laphana big kakhulu noma nakhathi iphume ngosuku iphume ngale iphume nama-music video more than 6 in one day. Maybe manje ezingenza le video ase-10 ama-video because amanye abeloku elandela laphana. So nje uvele nje wadropha ama-video same time and i-deal yakhe lekade ikhona between yena nenkampani yokurekhoda laphana i-Universal Music Group laphana I think iyaphela-ke because bebakoleta ama-album amathathu. So into akayidecide-ile because bebekade belobexabana after leya beef leyana. So udecide ukudropha ama-album awu-3 ngo-same day. So thina Speaker nawo wanamhlanje sifuna ukufocusa ku-Iceman because yona album le ekhulunywa ngayo yona album edilindiwe yona album enama-diss amaningi. I think emlandweni nje we-hip hop angaze ngibone i-project ye-hip hop enengoma eningi kanje ezama-diss laphana especially for uDrake because ujwayele ukukhipha ingoma za-R&B kube khona ezi-hip hop. So i-album yakhe iba no-side A ibe no-side B maybe ingoma eziwu-10 eza-R&B eziwu-10 eze-rap but lena-ke inengoma eningi ze-rap because baningi abantu ade befuna uba-addressa laphana zikhona maybe 2 or 3 ingoma la akashaya khona lo Drake esemjwaya lo phinde eshaya ama-singalong lapho ingoma lezi eziphulile za-R&B but le asikho leso sikhathi laphana because baningi abantu ade befuna uba-addressa laphana. So khona ingoma i-Make Them Cry 80s nayo leyo i-Make Them Pay Make Them Remember ama-diss wonke lawa so a-different and indlela nje awa-approach ngayo laphana ama-beat aloku yaswitcha during ingoma iphinde iswitche iphinde engene enye ingoma iphinde ibuye ngelinye ivesi yonke ingoma ekhona laphana hayi uyalo laphana but sikhona-ke ingoma like efana iJenis laphana enye ingoma i-trap noma i-drill laphana, but still nakhona kuleyo ngoma usadisa uKendrick Lamar kuleyo ngoma, and kuleyo ngoma ileyo ngoma udisana no-Jay-Z laphana, because ufila ngathi abantu abaningi laba bama-rap base-America mabefuna ukwenza izinto kumele bebuze u-Jay-Z, befuna u-Jay-Z, but yena ufila ngathi use-big enough futhi no yena akadingi ukwenza i-phone call enzela u-Jay-Z. Kuzokhumbula ukuthi u-Jay-Z into ezenza ukuthi zimnesi, u-Jay-Z laphana wabiza uKendrick Lamar ukuthi ezoperforma ku-Super Bowl laphana e-America, okuyiyona-ke ishow le ebankulu kakhulu edlalwa laphana kule nto abayithandayo. I think yini lesa sport sabo lisaka, ngazi noma i-hockey noma i-football, but bayasazi bona-ke. So ukubizwa kwa-Kendrick Lamar during i-beef noma after i-beef laphana, so I think uDrake wabona no okay uJay-Z usesayidini laba, because uyangabiza anyone but wadecide ukubiza uKendrick oyena umuntu wetrend leso sikhathi, and into etrendisa uKendrick ukuthi ubeefa noDrake. So that's why uDrake decide ukumdisa na, because I think more than 2 songs la uNylon khana abasho aba-director straight ku-Jay-Z laphana. So hayi zithe ukumnetha-ke na uJay-Z, but ziningi-ke ingoma ezimnandi. As I said, ama-features awekho maningi, but ikhona le eno-future le, I think leyo ngoma leyo ayintsompo kakhulu, nane-music video-ke leyo. So ikhona le ngoma eno-future, i-Rent u-Atlanta. So the time bedisa laphana beno-Kendrick, uKendrick laphana weshile wathi uDrake mazizimkhalela uyabaleka e-Atlanta laphana, elinye idolobha lase-America elidume kakhulu ngama-rapper lawa especially lawa abig kakhulu kwi-trap music. So laphana abantu abafana nabo 21 Savage ibona abantu beno-future akabalekela kubona according to Kendrick Lamar. So uDrake uvile wadecide ukwenza ingoma-ke wayibiza exactly ngale nto ayisho uKendrick Lamar leyo. So I think leyo bi-creative leyo, and leyo ngoma leyo insompo kakhulu. Nakuleyo ngoma futhi still sadisa abantu uDrake nakhona. So nje ingoma eningi u-Iceman zidis, but I think i-album is solid. I think i-album izoba i-classic. I think after lama album ade phumela Drake, because mina last album Drake anga-enjoy i-Scorpion. After i-Scorpion wakhipha ama-album angangawezwa kahle amanye, but I think le position abamfake kuyona uSkebe ebeefe noKendrick then wonke umuntu emjikele, I know imvusile laphana. I think ubuye ngamandla, and I think usenayo irun mhlambi akazoba nayo after 10 years after le album, because bavele bamnikeza energy entsha laphana, indlela kane energy ngayo yambothi no uready ngempela uDrake. I think ikhona album ezolandela before kuphela unyaka la, because uyamuza indlela akakhuluma ngayo ukuthi no ziningi izinto akafuna ukushare, baningi abantu abafuna ukuba attack laphana. So angebe inyathelile ngempela inyoka emsileni laphana. So enye ingoma engiyithandile laphana ini Don't Worry laphana, isa R&B ba Drake laphana, but izinto akasho laphana still nazo say direct unyathela abantu laphana. Bese uba khona enye ingoma le akadisa khona uRick Ross beno DJ Khaled laphana. So khona uline laphana akadisa khona uRick Ross laphana, uske I used to aid Ross with Scream before aiding Ross started Screams. So khona umjide wase-America laphana ubiza ngo-Odin Ross, mkhulu nje kakhulu, wenza ama-scream laphana, uvamise ukurector ngomusic laphana. So according to Drake wayesiza uRick Ross ngama-screams, so ngumusic lo athole ama-numbers before u-Eddie eve ezeqala, because into scream into yamanje, but uDrake beno-Rick Ross baqala ukusebenzisana ngo-2010. So I think laphana uDrake uzama ukukhombisa nje ukuthi nje no uRick Ross akayilutho ngaphandle kwakhe laphana. And-ke ngeke ngabona i-twist laphana ebhalwe DJ Khaled laphana, yakhala ngokuthi uDrake akaba-addressanga like direct abantu emention amagama abo ladelwa nabo lapha boKendrick nabo bani, but when it's come to yena, because uKhaled ummention ngegama laphana. So I think nje ubudlelwano between uDrake noRick Ross no DJ Khaled into engasophindi existing, because I think ngibona abantu ngempela aka-angry kakhulu ukubona. And kwelinye side ngiya-understand because uDrake ibona abantu ababenefithe kakhulu uDrake laphana, especially DJ Khaled beno-Rick Ross banengoma eningi ezinamavesi kaDrake. So during i-beef ibona abantu abamele besayidini likaDrake bemsupport-ke, but-ke nabadecide ukurayida ne-wave bakhomenta benza izinto. I'm not sure ukuthi uKhaled wenzani, because angaze ngibone anything efana enziwa uKhaled, but uRick Ross ngiyakhumbula naye ziningi into akakhuluma during i-beef, naye wezama ukuthi naye uya-eda khona le nto. Kwakuvele umlilo ususha wonke umuntu la noDrake naye uRick Ross nayo uphinde wamdisa, athi ungwazi wakhipha nanengoma uRick Ross. So imfaneleke yona lo ngimi, but uKhaled I'm not sure ukuthi why iphanishwa kangaka, because la I think last year uKhaled ukathi uzokhipha album after i-beef, uzokhipha album yakhe wazi wamention wathi no album yakhe inengoma kaDrake, maybe ingoma isirekhodiwe. uDrake wakhomenta lapho athi no hayi akayazi leyo yena. So uDrake wavele ukhombisa no leyo ngoma ekhona erekhodi yabanayo because benokhali banengomeni ukuthi no ingakhishwa nokukhishwa because between bona hayi ayisekho into ihambisa and after leya beef uKhalid akakaze ekhiphe ingoma ebhadlileyo nayo so I think nawo omunye umuntu odependele kuDrake laphana but mas rate album mina I think because kusewu 2 days album iphumile mina ngayinikeza maybe u8 out of 10.